Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to buy Genesis crystals or blazing of the Wilkin moon in Genshin Impact using Paysafecard? Today I'm going to show you how to pay with Paysafecard in Genshin Impact. First of all, head over to Kinguin, a trusted marketplace where you can buy Genshin Impact top ups using Paysafecard. Simply type kinguin.net in your browser and hit enter. Next, use the search bar on Kinguin's homepage. Type Genshin Impact and press enter to browse available top ups and gift cards. Now choose the product that suits your needs, whether it's Genesis crystals, blessing of the Wilkin moon, or another in-game item. Click on it to proceed. Once you have selected your item, click Add to Cart. Then head to your cart and press Checkout to move forward with your purchase. At checkout, look for the Paysafecard option. Among the payment methods, select it to continue. Now enter your Paysafecard PIN and confirm the transaction. Make sure your Paysafecard balance is enough to cover the purchase. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.